Look at all those shad in the water, y'all. Like little diamonds. Sparkling all up, boiling up on top of the water. It's fishing day, y'all. Wish us luck.
Awkward smile from the other side of Thompson Street.
I think we're gonna move in a little bit down that way, because we're not getting any bites here. So far it's just a fishing day. No catching. But there's a lot of fish in here, we see them. This butterfly is enamored with the boss. It's just sitting there. He's dug in his pockets and yeah. It's just sitting there on his belt. Oh, it's on his arm now. It's in love with the boss.
Where's he at?
It's right there. And it went to your back of your arm now. We're changing baits.
There's a lot of bait in the water.
Yeah, there's a lot of bait in the water. They're not biting. So we're
throwing.
We're gonna keep trying different baits until we catch one of these bad boys. Okay, little butterfly, you gonna go fishing with the boss? Huh? You are. Well, have fun. Bye. Look at all the shad in the water. I hope you can see that. Just thousands of them everywhere.
Probably too much.
Yeah. This may be our problem.
Hard to get them to bite what we're throwing.
Yeah. Let's see, but maybe the boss is gonna go get the cast net and see if we can get some. I'll try to zoom in on when I'm editing and see if I can get all these in here. They're coming closer to the shoreline now. The fall colors are starting to change, y'all. Such a pretty cliff. Then I get to fish with this guy here. He's gonna put a different bait on for me.
The only one that's catching any fish.
Yeah.
We tried topwater, tried crankbait, and these shad are pretty small, so went to a crappie sized jig and started catching a few of them, so
we're gonna try that one. You have one nice white bass already.
One keeper white bass and 3 other little guys.
Yeah.
That I threw back.
They're little babies. They get to live longer. Where'd your butterfly go?
I made him go away.
Oh.
He's starting to get on my nerves.
Oh. Alright, we're going back. I just wanted to show you the beautiful scenery around here. We took our kayaks out here. Was it?
Oh yeah, a long time ago.
Last year.
Was it last year or the year before?
No, it was last year. That's so pretty. I just could sit here for hours on end. Oh, I have been sitting here for hours on end. Okay, move down again. Put a bobber on. I don't know if you can see it. It's out there. Kevin got one nice white bass, 2 small ones. We have 1 on the stringer. We have to at least get 2. So, I'm trying this technique. But y'all, it doesn't matter to me if well, it does matter to me because I like fish, but sometimes I just need to get out into Mother Nature and enjoy the beauty around me. And I love to fish. So, it doesn't, that part doesn't matter. But you know what? I sure would like to see something snag that hook right there with my bait on it. Yeah, buddy. That would be fantastic. Okay, you see that sign P16? This is all usually underwater. We're fishing this little island, and we were able to walk right over here. There's usually a lot of boats going in and out of here on each side. Last time we kayaked and came through here, had some pretty good fishing that day. Alright, I moved over by this big log. You know, that's where the big bass hang out in the summer. The crappie. Come on, fishy fishies. Here, fishy fishies. Look at those. Doubled up.
Bigger though.
Yep.
They're both gonna keep.
Yep.
And
Alright.
yeah.
There we go. Let's get them on the line.
Doubled up. We'll get them on a stringer and
Yep.
let you know as we go.
Here we go.
Things I like the most. And back when we were passing notes in school, spend our summers by the pool, talking about what we'd be when we're grown. Well, those were the days. You're taking me back. You're taking me back. When the world was smaller and everything was ours. You're taking me back. You're taking me back. When everything moves slower, you're taking me back to better days. I still remember weekend trips, late night drive to our favorite hits, burning through a mixed CD we made. Just a couple kids, nowhere to be, taking time for making memories, living life like we were runaways. Yeah, those were the days. You're taking me back. You're taking me back. When the world was smaller and everything was ours. You're taking me back. You're taking me back. When everything moves slower, you're taking me back to better days. Oh. So take me back when we were younger, and back when we were unafraid. Starry-eyed and full of wonder. Take me back to the better days. You're taking me back. You're taking me back. When the world was smaller and everything was ours. Taking me back. You're taking me back. When everything moves slower. You're taking me back. You're taking me back. When the world was smaller and everything was ours. You're taking me back. You're taking me back. When everything moves slower. You're taking me back to better days.
There are so many shad out there. And it sounds like a little sprinkler. Can you hear it? so cool.
You're taking me back to the sleepless nights, phone calls and candlelights. Those were the things I liked the most. And back when we were passing notes in school, spend our summers by the pool, talking about what we'd be when we're grown. Well, those were the days. You're taking me back. You're taking me back. When the world was smaller and everything was ours. You're taking me back. You're taking me back. When everything moves slower. You're taking me back to better days. Trips, late night drive to our favorite hits, burning through a mixed CD we made. Just a couple kids, nowhere to be, taking time for making memories, living life like we were runaways. Yeah, those were the days. You're taking me back. You're taking me back. Smaller and everything was ours. You're taking me back. You're taking me back. When everything moves slower. You're taking me back to better days. Oh. So take me back when we were younger. Back when we were unafraid, starry-eyed and full of wonder. Take me back to the better days. You're taking me back. You're taking me back. When the world was smaller and everything was ours. Taking me back. You're taking me back. When everything moves slower. You're taking me back. You're taking me back. When the world was smaller and everything was ours. You're taking me back.